Imagine diving into the depths of the ocean, where sharks not only glide through the water, but also grunt like pigs. Yes, you heard that right. These fascinating creatures communicate in ways that are as surprising as their predatory skills. Now, let's shift gears to the sands of ancient Egypt, where archaeologists recently unearthed swords that reveal the secrets of a civilization known for its power and mystery. These weapons tell tales of battles fought and empires built. And speaking of ancient practices, ever wondered how people stayed clean before soap was invented? In ancient bathhouses, they relied on natural oils and scrubbing techniques that would make modern spa treatments seem basic. History is full of these incredible stories that connect us to our past in unexpected ways. Deep in the waters of the eastern Atlantic, we encounter the Angular Roughshark, a truly unique species. With its distinctive pig-like snout and widely spaced eyes, this shark defies typical expectations of its kind. Locally dubbed the pig fish, it exhibits an intriguing behavior, grunting when captured, a sound that echoes through the depths. This adaptation not only sets it apart from other sharks, but also raises questions about its communication methods. As we explore its anatomy, notice the robust body and the specialized teeth designed for crushing prey. The Angular Roughshark is a fascinating example of evolution's creativity, reminding us that the ocean is home to many wonders yet to be discovered. The Angular Roughshark, measuring up to 3.3 feet long, is a fascinating creature of the deep. With its thick body and large dorsal fins, it glides effortlessly near the seafloor, employing a unique vacuuming technique to consume its prey. This shark feasts on fish, crustaceans, and even the eggs of its own kind, showcasing its adaptability in a challenging environment. Its sharp, blade-like teeth are perfectly designed for slicing through flesh, making quick work of its meals. However, despite its remarkable hunting skills, the Angular Roughshark faces significant threats and is classified as endangered. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the survival of this remarkable species and the delicate balance of its ecosystem. The Angular Roughshark, found from the icy waters of Norway down to the warm coasts of South Africa, is a fascinating species often overlooked. With its unique appearance, this shark plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. Unfortunately, many of these sharks fall victim to bycatch, primarily due to the high demand for their large dorsal fins. This not only threatens their population, but disrupts the intricate web of life in our oceans. Understanding the importance of the Angular Roughshark helps us appreciate the delicate interplay of species in marine environments. Protecting these creatures is essential for the health of our oceans and the future of marine biodiversity. Imagine a time when soap was a luxury few could afford. Ancient civilizations, from Egypt to Rome, prioritized cleanliness, but their methods were quite unconventional. They bathed in rivers, using the flowing water to wash away dirt. Instead of soap, they turned to nature. Grains of sand acted as gentle exfoliants, while oils from plants provided moisture and fragrance. Even ashes from fires were utilized, mixed with water to create a rudimentary cleansing paste. These practices reveal a deep understanding of hygiene and resourcefulness, proving that the quest for cleanliness is as old as civilization itself. In ancient Egypt, the ritual of cleansing was a blend of art and practicality. People would rub fragrant oils on their skin, not just for scent, but to nourish and protect. They used curved tools called strigils to scrape away dirt and sweat, a technique that was surprisingly effective. Meanwhile, in ancient Rome, bathhouses thrived as social hubs, where citizens gathered to relax and converse while enjoying the benefits of communal bathing. Although soap would eventually emerge, these early methods of cleaning were innovative for their time. Oil and sand, when used correctly, could cleanse the skin more thoroughly than we might assume, showcasing the ingenuity of our ancestors in their pursuit of hygiene. In the heart of Egypt, beneath the sands of time, a monumental discovery has emerged. Archaeologists have unearthed a 3,200-year-old barracks, a testament to the might of the pharaohs. Among the relics, a sword gleams, inscribed with the name of Ramesses II, a ruler whose legacy echoes through the ages. This weapon, once wielded in battle, tells tales of conquests and power, of a civilization that shaped the course of history. Imagine the warriors who trained here, their spirits intertwined with the very essence of this land. Each grain of sand whispers secrets of an era where gods walked among men, and the Nile cradled the dreams of a nation. This sword is not just metal. It is a bridge to a glorious past, a reminder of the indomitable spirit of ancient Egypt. Ramesses II, often celebrated as one of ancient Egypt's greatest pharaohs, was not just a ruler, but a formidable military leader. This remarkable sword, unearthed from a barracks near the kingdom's border, offers us a rare glimpse into the lives of the soldiers who served him. Crafted with precision, it symbolizes the strength and discipline of the Egyptian army. Each artifact from this dig site tells a story of battles fought, strategies devised, and the unwavering loyalty of those who defended the empire. This discovery enriches our understanding of Ramesses II's reign, revealing the intricate tapestry of life in ancient Egypt and the enduring legacy of its warriors. As I stand before the colossal monuments of Ramesses II, I am struck by the sheer scale and ambition of his reign. This pharaoh, often called Ramesses the Great, ruled for an astonishing 66 years, leaving behind a legacy that echoes through the ages. His temples, like the magnificent Abu Simbel, were not merely structures. They were statements of power and divine authority, carved into the very rock of the desert. Each hieroglyph tells a story of military triumphs and monumental building projects, showcasing his dedication to the gods and his people. The grandeur of his monuments reflects not just his reign, but the enduring spirit of ancient Egypt, a civilization that continues to inspire and captivate us today. In every stone, we find a piece of history, a glimpse into the life of a ruler who sought to be remembered for eternity. In the depths of the ocean lurks the enigmatic pig-faced shark, a creature so rare it seems almost mythical. Its unique features challenge our understanding of evolution, reminding us that the sea still holds secrets we have yet to fathom. Meanwhile, on land, ancient civilizations practiced cleaning rituals that reveal their deep connection to purity and spirituality. These methods, passed down through generations, echo the wisdom of our ancestors. And then, there's the astonishing discovery of a sword from Egypt's golden age, a relic that whispers tales of power and glory from a time long forgotten. Each story, a thread in the intricate tapestry of our world, beckons us to explore further. What story resonates with you? Share your thoughts below. Imagine standing in the heart of ancient Rome, where gladiators once fought for glory and emperors ruled with an iron fist. Each stone tells a story, echoing the triumphs and tragedies of a civilization that shaped our world. Did you know that the Colosseum could hold over 50,000 spectators? It was a marvel of engineering. Now, shift your gaze to the depths of the ocean, where vibrant coral reefs teem with life, showcasing nature's incredible diversity. These underwater ecosystems are not just beautiful, they play a crucial role in our planet's health. And let's not forget the wonders of science. From the discovery of penicillin to the mysteries of black holes, every breakthrough pushes the boundaries of human knowledge. Join us on this journey through time and nature, and uncover the amazing facts that connect us all. Make sure to subscribe to Amazing World Facts, where we explore the wonders of history, nature, and science every week. Thanks for watching.